Drawing with Jay and Al. I'm Jay.
I'm Al.
You can draw triangle, square, and circle. You could draw a lot of stuff, such as house, sun, fish, and tree.
You will need a pencil, an eraser, and 11 by 15-inch watercolor paper.
You also need brushes, a set of brushes, big to small, and 12 color set gouache paint.
You need a palette to mix your paint. And you also need a cup of water. Here's a tip. Put your paint by order. Then you can find it easier next time. The good way is use Sharpie, write a number on it. If you're right-handed, put your palette on the top, put your paint on the left, and put your water cup and brushes on the right.
If you were left-handed, you put your palette on the front, your paint on the right, and your water cup and paintbrushes on the left. We use pipette. Put 5 drops of water on the paint. And then we mix it. Good paint stays on the paintbrush. If it drips off, that means it's too watery.
Dip your paintbrush in the paint front and back. Wipe some paint on the side so it doesn't drip.
Like this, then you need more water. If your line is smooth, that means it's good paint. Start to color. The trick of coloring is use the corner of the brush. Follow the pencil line. Important tip. After you use your brush, put in the water cup right away. Before you use the brush for a new paint, wipe the brush on the paper towel and soak in the water a few times until no paint appears on the paper towel. Big flat head brush, size 3 or 4. The big brush has 2 sides. Wide side for the big space, narrow side for the small space.